May the ancestors you.
Never me this time, purple boy. So I'm just about ready to blow the top off that place and that guy's booty when Spyro let loose with some serious dude. No joke. From the
She was doing what to you?
Oh, it's hard to be absolutely sure, Ignitus. But it seems she was using me as some sort of suspended organic power source.
Huh? She was using it. Why didn't he just say so?
She also left with a glowing yellow orb, and I believe that I somehow it. Does this mean anything to you, Ignitus?
What I do know is that we need to the other Guardians.
I agree, Ignitus, but first I'd like to impart some useful knowledge to Spyro, vis-a-vis his recently acquired electricity-based exhalation device.
What? Well, he says he'd like to Oi, why didn't you just say so?
The Atlawa shrine has been desecrated, and the god of the shrine has not been since Cinder's forces arrived.
It's fine, but I came to Zero.
You must the god of the shrine to him.
Knew you were gonna say that.
See that months of tortured captivity have done nothing to slow that electric of yours from incessantly With my help, Terrador should be a certainty.
I must say I never thought I'd live to you, Spyro. Go, Spyro! Like you've never before! I'll go back to the temple for help! Time to will come, but it is not now.
It's my fault. I failed Ignitus when he needed me most. It's just that the sight of Cinder so close just...
Made your stop, put in your scared the out of you?
Yeah.
All warriors feel at one time or another, Spyro.
Spyro! Yourself!
What does this Dark Master want?
He wants to be
No. I refuse to up.
May the ancestors you. May the asshole.
Mommy? My pillow? Yeah, you were a big help, Sparks. No doubt about it. But, just for the record, a lot of weird stuff does come out of that little of yours.
And what is that supposed to mean?